What's up guys? Today I'm just doing you a stupid review. Yes, it's a Henry Hoover. It's mini. It's about the size of my hand. I'm doing a review on it. This is what it should come with. A stupidly long pipe. A bendy curved stick. A long straight thing. And it should come with one of these nozzles where you can just go, and one of these where you can fit it in cracks. Not the best of holes. Not used that one yet. I only used this one. Right, I'm doing a review what you should have. Right, first of all, I'm showing you inside of Henry. He just slides off like that. Inside, well, there's his nose, and inside you should have that there. There's nothing big in there, nothing. And then you've got this. Well, it's got a little carry handle, so you can carry it sturdy. Then I've already got my batteries in. Batteries are not included. Just push button. There's your air filter. Don't know if you can see this. I'll pull it out. No, I won't actually. There's your air filter, so no bits go in your motor engine thing. That you should have your battery point there. Don't know if that's well on camera. And it just, nothing goes in. No like proper filter. Just goes in, clicks on it with a noise, and then this is what you should have. This is what you do. You put one bit on his nose, the big pipe. Make sure it's facing down that pipe, so it comes in a curled position. And then you get your bendy stick. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. You plug that on the chunky side. Okay, quite a bad fit. I need to just work this out as I'm going. Oh, I hate that when that happens. I'm on my nafty digit. There we go. It's always when I show it in the light, it gets back to focus. Okay, so then it's like that bendy bit at the end. Should not come off, but that easily. Then I'd normally have a bigger working space than this. I'm literally clips on that. Make sure it's facing down yet again. Whichever attachment you want to put on the end, well, I'm just gonna put it down there and that. Whichever attachment you want to put on the end, I want to put that attachment yet again. It actually is a good one. You'll see for yourselves. It's actually quite a good fit as well. No bad thing about it. Well, there is a bad thing about it, the way it fits on. Shit fit. Oh, I had a very good fit earlier. Let me just work this out behind the scene. Okay, oh, I hate this stand. Oh, it's not on it. It's gone blurry again. Okay, just this is not what I wanted to do in the video. I had it fitting earlier. Oh no, that's what I needed to do. Seriously. Okay, so you got your pipe, the long bendy one, not this. And that should just clip into there, just like so. I've got this one that just goes like that, not the one that goes in the cracks. I'm not gonna show you that one today, and that just has the rubbishiest fit I've ever had in my life. I don't rate it. Well, I rate it. Hang on a second, guys. Let me just do this behind the scenes, because it seems to be a mess up problem here. Maybe that clips on there. Ah, okay, I've got it. I think you guys will find it out quickly. Right. I'm just gonna put my camera. Ooh, just there for a second. Let's face my Alexa. Oh, Alexa. Oh yeah, off. Right, let me just go to my different side of ledge. Didn't expect this video to be that long. This long. Put that nice on there. Right, I just need to do some quick adjustments behind the scenes. I'm just tipping away some little grains. Okay. Right. Just open my curtain. This is how. Don't know what that was, but right. This is how good the Henry works. So you push that, obviously. Ah, wet soil. Does not work best on wet soil. Okay, let's just do it again. So obviously you've got a little carry handle. Right, this is in the light, luckily. Yeah. You've got your Henry. Oh god, that's long. That's long. That's how long it is. Right, so you push it on. One second, guys. I'm just gonna put a different nozzle on. Actually, that's better. Okay, I can't do this right now perfectly, but it certainly does work. I like it, I love it. My dad doesn't like it. He thinks it's a pile of junk. But I don't. Right, so let me just put you down again. Oh, God. I hate doing this. Right. Like so, you turn him on. yeah, it's cleaned my side. Really works. Now, just... Where's my phone stand? Lost it. Got it. 1 second, just putting you up against that. Right. Just to show you. Never knew I could put it onto that side. Right. Yeah. Okay. Just slide it off. You've got your filter. Right, here's your filter. It slides in easy. Just do like a curve into that little hole in the lid. Right, it's not, you won't see it, I don't think, but you can kind of see the little dirt bits. Yeah, you see that on the camera. I'm going to chuck that out my window. Don't worry, it's not harmful stuff. It's only mud. It's only mud. Just a bit of mud out my plant pot. Just clean that out. Right. Oh, drop my phone. So where's the lock could happen? Oh, because I've done like 5 videos already trying to do this because the stand's rubbish. Right, anyway, yeah, it cleans out just easily. Then cleans back in. Right. Always remember to push it on Henry's nose as good as you can. Yes, I would say this is a... We've got the long length thing. I would say it's like a 5-star. I'd call it a 5-star. It does the job well. Saves you having to wipe any bits away. All you have to do is just tip it away at the end. I received this from Amazon. It's called a mini Henry vacuum. Now, if you want to buy one, you can only go on Amazon. Nowhere else you go. No, if you go like, let's say Argos, you could not get these at Argos. You can only get a big version of Henry at Argos. Okay then, I say awesome. Right, she's just the last little ender. That is my rubbish phone stand. Just clips on. I'll rate this nozzle just a 4.5 star. This nozzle, but it just needs to be a bit more bigger. I don't know why Amazon doesn't do this. If anybody from Amazon's watching this, just try to make it a bit better. Yeah, right. Peace out, baby.